To collect the Whisper Hive Oddity in Where Winds Meet, you're going to need one thing. You're going to need to ensure that the arrows that you've currently equipped are fire arrows. Once you've confirmed all of that, now whenever you bring out your bow and arrow and you aim it at the Whisper Hive, so let's just get closer now. For example, right here. Then all you need to do is simply aim and shoot at the Whisper Hive. Once you've done that, the hive should have been killed. Now you can go ahead and collect the oddity when you hear a bell chime coming from your game. And like that, you've successfully connected the Whisper Hive Oddity in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.